more oatmeal left.
Whoa. What is that, Dylan?
Fishy.
M&M's? M&M's? Do you want to have that after you have your oatmeal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Dylan, can you wait until after you have your oatmeal?
Yeah.
After your oatmeal, okay? Dylan, can you wait? Dylan, look at Mama. Oh, no, Nora can't have that. Look at Mama, Dylan. You have to wait until after you eat your oatmeal for breakfast. Okay? Okay? Okay, give those to Mama. You have to have your oatmeal first. Okay. Say thanks, Aunt Dee Dee. Say thanks, Aunt Dee Dee.